Welcome, maintenance and operations teams. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're tackling one of the most crucial decisions in asset management. Should you repair or replace an asset? We'll examine how to calculate an asset's value using equipment depreciation and how to compare that against repair costs. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical understanding of how to make cost-effective decisions for your business. Let's get into it. In the world of asset management, one of the most critical decisions you'll face is whether to repair or replace an asset. The key to making this decision is comparing the current value of the asset with the cost of repair. It's pretty straightforward. If the cost of repair is less than the value of the asset, you repair it. But if the cost of repair is higher than the asset's value, it's time to replace it. So, how do we determine the value of an asset? Well, this is where the concept of equipment depreciation comes into play. The easiest way to calculate depreciation is using the straight line method, which means that the asset loses the same amount of value each year. You can find the annual equipment depreciation by dividing the initial value of the asset, which is the price you paid for it, by its useful life, which is the number of years the asset will remain profitable in service. Once you have the annual depreciation, you can then determine the remaining value of the asset. To do this, you multiply the depreciation rate by the number of years left in its useful life. With this information in hand, you can now compare the cost of repair with the present value of the asset to decide if it's time to repair or replace. Let's put this into a practical scenario. Imagine I purchased an asset for $100,000 with a salvage value of $10,000 and an expected lifetime of 10 years. Using the straight line depreciation model, the asset loses $10,000 in value every year for its 10-year lifespan. Now, let's say I've had this asset for 7 years and it is just broken down. The big question is, should I repair it or should I replace it? We know that the cost of replacement is $100,000 to buy a new one that will last me 10 more years. My asset broke down with 3 years of expected life left, making its present value $30,000. If the cost of repair is under $30,000, it makes sense to fix it because my original asset will then last for 3 more years. However, if the cost of repair exceeds $30,000, it would be more economical to just replace it. Remember, the goal is to make the most cost-effective decision for your business. Understanding the value of your assets and the cost of repair versus replacement is a crucial part of that decision-making process. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered how to calculate an asset's value using equipment depreciation and compared that against repair costs to make cost-effective decisions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.